I'm fat and I need to do something about it. Hey family, listen. It's the second half of the year, and if you're anything like me, life has been lifing. June literally flew by, but I say July. July is personal. July is comeback. July is reset. I created a 30-day self-care workout challenge, and I want you to join me. It's simple, it's free, and it's for anyone that has been feeling tired, unmotivated, lost in the sauce, or just in need of a reset. The 30-day challenge, it will not require you to go to the gym, but you can if you want to. You don't need no fancy setup. You just need to commit to showing up for yourself. That's it. So, here's how it works.
Rochielin traveling the fourth corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin!
In my last couple of videos that I posted where I'm being a little bit more vulnerable and a little more transparent, a lot of you commented that you'd like to join me on this journey, this self-care, health-care, getting better with yourself journey. And I decided that, okay, let's all do it together. That's what I wanted anyways. I'm happy that you guys decided to join me. So with this 30-day self-care challenge, or this July self-care challenge, because we're going to be doing it for July. The challenge is that we're going to work out for at least 3 times per week for the month of July. And it should be for a minimum of 30 minutes. Now, like I said, the workout don't need to be at no gym or nothing fancy, but if you have those at your disposal, feel free to use it. And then a big thing is you just need to get your body moving. You just need to get active. You need to get the muscles going. You know, it could be walking, it could be dancing, it could be yoga, it could be jumping jacks, it could be something in your living room in front of the TV, just doing some kind of workout. But we need to get active, and it don't matter your age, it don't matter your gender, it don't matter your, I don't know, your religious preference, your political preference, none of that. It don't matter. It just needs to be you trying to show up for yourself and, you know, improve your life. A workout is never a bad thing. Of course, for those of you that have medical conditions that stop you from doing this, please consult your doctor before. But if you're able-bodied, I'll encourage you. We're gonna work out at least 3 times per week, 30 minutes. So get in front, you can put on a YouTube video and just follow the workout routine. It don't matter. 3 times per week for the month of July. Now, I'm going to aim to do it more than 3 times because I'm trying to do a little bit more than what you're trying to do. I'm actually trying to lose weight and to tone up, you know, to get rid of the mom bod, because I still got the mom bod. So I'm going to aim for more than 3 times per week, but the minimum is 3 times. And like I said, it don't need to be nothing fancy. Just get up and walk around your block. Just make sure you hit at least 30 minutes. That's the challenge for July. A bonus is that you can do 1 act of self-care for yourself throughout the month of July. This could be journaling, praying, doing a skincare routine. Whatever it is, it needs to be something for you. This month, July, new month, we're prioritizing ourselves. So we're working out for at least 30 minutes for at least 3 times per week. We're getting our bodies moving, and we're prioritizing ourselves by doing 1 act of self-care as many times throughout the month. To help us stay accountable and to keep us on track, I made a free downloadable tracker that you can use. Check off your progress to make sure that we're doing this for the 30 days. You're joining me on this July challenge. Like I said, the tracker is free. It's cute, it's simple, and it's gonna help you to stay accountable. You'll have a visual accountability tracker basically. You can either print it out and stick it on your fridge, put it on your wall, and then you tick off each day that you actually did the workout and that you actually did one of the self-care acts. Or you can do it digitally. You can download it, and there's a checkbox where you can actually go and tick off the day that you do it. Answer bite me. So Let me reiterate in case you didn't understand. We're doing a July self-care workout challenge. All the month of July, we're taking care of ourselves. But we're challenging ourselves to these two things for July. One is to work out for at least 30 minutes for at least 3 times for the week for the month of July. And 2 is to do a self-care act as often as possible throughout the month of July. I have included a downloadable tracker that you can download. It's linked in the description bar below and it's free. You can download that tracker, and for after your workout, every single day that you work out, you can go in and you either select the check mark to say that I did it today, and then you press save on the document, and each day you go in, you go back and you check that day and you press save on the document. You can do that, or if you're not doing it digitally, you can print out the sheet and you can use a pen or a pencil and you can tick off each day that you actually workout. In addition to that, as a bonus, we're also doing self-care apps, so you can write it in digitally. What is that thing that you did for yourself on that day? Or if you print it out, you can write it in with a pen to see what it is that you did for that day, right? And then at the end of the month, I'd love for you to take a photo of your sheet or save your sheet, and you're going to email it to me at rochielin@gmail.com so that we can all celebrate together. I'm looking forward to this challenge, and I'm looking forward to us just doing it together. If you choose to post it on social media and Instagram and TikTok, please go ahead. Just tag me at Rochielin and at Jingle so that we can celebrate together and keep each other accountable. In that tracker that's below, that's free, you will see the chart that you're gonna use to keep yourself accountable. There'll be instructions, and there will be a list of 20 self-care things that you can choose from to do for the month of July. You can do any of those, and you can also do any additional that you come up with, right? So some of them are like praying, go to your bed earlier today, take some time for yourself and exfoliate your body today. And of course, you can use our exfoliating scrub to exfoliate. Moisturize your body today. Drink some water today. You know, there are different things. Journal, take 10 minutes for yourself. Give yourself a social media break. Different things that you're gonna do for yourself throughout July. And I included 20, and you can add the rest. I'm so excited about doing this. Like I said, this is something I'm doing for myself, and I know a lot of you guys express interest in coming on this journey with me, and I wanted to make it very simple so that it's something that you can follow along, you know, and not too overly complicated. So you're literally just working out for 30 minutes 3 times a week, and then you're doing nice things for yourself, and that's simple as it gets for the month of July. Maybe August we'll try to do something else. We'll come up with something else to see how this one goes. But I'm doing this because, like, for the whole year, I've been pouring into everybody else, which I'm not mad about. I'm not upset about it by any means, because that's just me. Ooh, here's a UPS truck. Got to hold on because I've been staking out for this truck all day. Hold a minute. We're going to go get to that UPS truck. I don't know if you still see me. Hello. I was looking for you. You know, long me wait for the UPS truck for come. No, I can go make some things for you guys. Oh my God, I'm so happy because they had the wrong address. And it was like a whole thing to try to get the address changed. But I'm happy that they came anyway. So anyways, where was I? So like I was saying, for the past year, I have been pouring into everyone else, which I'm not mad about. I've been breastfeeding, I've been doing all these things. But now it's time to, you know, do some things for me. And I'm ready now to start. Now that my son is eating regular food properly and all that, now it's time to get back to Rochielin. Yeah, and I know a lot of you have been experiencing similar, because I have a lot of mothers that follow me. Well, not just mothers, but also people that are in need of a reset. And sometimes we need a little company to do it together. Sometimes it's hard to do it by yourself. And for me, it's always good when I have an accountability partner. So you see, like I'm telling you something I gotta do it. From me say it, you know, definitely I gotta do it. You understand? And some people sometimes you need that kind of motivation and yeah, and I'm about taking care of myself, feeling better about myself, feeling good about myself. It's not only gonna be the workout, but I'm also trying to eat better and just to be a better human overall. So what I have done in addition to this is I needed one of the problems I'm having is that a lot of times I don't know what to eat. And then I wait until I get too hungry. And by the time I get hungry, I just eat whatever is available. And that's not good. That's how you put on weight. That ain't good. So what I've done is I've asked ChatGPT to provide a meal plan for me, basically, for 30 days. And in this meal plan, now it's gonna help me to lose weight, but to maintain my breast milk supply. Because, like I told you guys before, one of the issues I've been having with losing weight and why I waited until now to do it is that every time I started working out heavily, my breast milk supply would go away. And my baby wasn't eating solid foods, and he only relied on my breast milk. And I thought it was selfish of me to do this for me and sacrifice his eating. I wanted him to be able to eat comfortably, get all the nutrients that he deserves. And once he's at that stage where he's not 100% reliant on me, then I'll work out for me. So now that we're at this stage, I'm ready to do the thing for me. Right? So this plan that ChatGPT gave me is supposed to help me to eat properly, lose the weight, maintain my milk supply, and I guess feel better about myself. I don't know if it's actually right, but I'm gonna try it out. I'm actually gonna go grocery shopping later on and buy all the things that they recommended and see how it goes. So I'll update you in 30 days. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. Now, if I don't know, it was tailored specifically to me, so you can put in a prompt similar to that into ChatGPT or any AI software and have them generate something for you. But if you want me to send you the specific one that I'm using, I can always send that to you. Email me at rochielin@gmail.com. So for July, we're working out. We're doing nice things for ourselves. I'm eating cleaner, and I'm of course gonna be using my natural self-care products that I make from my brand called Jingle, and that includes my body butter that are made from all natural ingredients, natural oils, natural butters, oils like I have the cocoa shea body butter that's made from cocoa butter, shea butter, apricot oil, coconut oil, almond oil, just all skin loving ingredients to help to moisturize and to hydrate the body. I'm also going to be using my sugar scrub that if you're watching depending on when you're watching this, it is now available on the website. And this is made from mango butter, coconut butter, all natural oils, avocado oil, and other skin loving ingredients to help to exfoliate your skin. So basically you put it on in the shower and you lather your skin and it exfoliates and gets rid of all the dead cells and help it to feel soft and moist and hydrated and also smell good. I also, again, depending on when you're watching this video, launched a new body butter scent that is watermelon flavored, my summer scent. And that one again have all natural oils and butters and smells so watermelony goodness. I mean, you guys are gonna absolutely love this one. I'm so excited about it. And let me say all natural ingredients. I'm also launching a body oil, and it's an infused body oil and it smells good. Have the all natural oils again, but this one is infused with herbs that are good for the skin. So it's not only gonna smell good and feel good, but it's actually great for your skin. I know some people like to moisturize with butter or creams, and some people like to moisturize with oils. You know, so I have both and you can get it as a bundle. So you choose. Yeah, the best of both worlds. You know, that's also coming depending on when you're watching this video. And there's the flagship product, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, to help to grow your hair, to strengthen your roots, to hydrate your hair and your skin if you choose to put it on it. There's that. And there's a hair growth oil that I'm also adding that's coming, and that is infused, has the castor oil in addition to other great oils for your hair, and it's infused with herbs and botanicals that will also help to condition your hair, replenish your hair, grow out your bald spot, grow in your edges, and all of that. So it's like good natural things that I try to create to feed our bodies. You know, what you put on your body should be as healthy and good as what you put in your body, and that's just my philosophy. So all about taking care of ourselves. And it's July, which is the start of the next 6 months of the year, the last 6 months of the year, and we need to finish the year strong. Despite what the first half was, whether it was good or bad, it's okay. Even if it was bad, we're gonna finish strong. And we're gonna finish strong together. And I'm looking forward to you joining me on a challenge. I'm thinking of doing a challenge every month, a different challenge every month. And this challenge happens to be the 3-day workout, at least 30 minutes per day, in addition to doing something nice for yourself. And I'm challenging you to do it. I've included the free tracker in the description bar below, so just go on it. It will take you to the website, put in your details, and you download it for free. You pay no money at all, and you use it to track your progress. And at the end of it, you either take a screenshot or you take a photo and send me what you did, and we'll celebrate together at the end of the month. In addition, I'm also thinking to go live more often. So yeah, but we'll discuss it as the month goes by. I'm looking forward to all of you on this journey with me. I love you guys, and I have been reading your comments. You guys have been so very positive and just so very helpful, and you guys don't even understand how much your support means to me, whether it's a support or just watching the videos, liking the videos, sharing the videos, or your comments. Your comments make my day, and I'm so happy for the positive comments. I'm so happy that you guys take the time out of your busy day, purchase a Jumbeline products, and I've been getting the reviews. You guys have been loving it, and that just made me feel so good. I can't express how much, because I like to be able to, I'm one of those creators where I like to be able to add value. Whether I'm gonna be adding value with the content I'm giving or the products that I'm giving, I'm not just exist for exist. I like to add value to people's lives, and I'm very happy that I've been able to do that so far. And you guys have been appreciating it, and you guys have just been on a journey. And you guys, when I just want to cry, I'm gonna want to cry up on camera because I'm gonna well it. But thank you guys so much. I'm looking forward to your feedback. And I didn't post yesterday. This video has been recorded and posted on Monday. I didn't get to post on Sunday because life has been lifing, as I said. And I tried to post mostly on Sundays. And I'm trying to up my content from 1 time a week to 2 times per week, while taking care of the baby full time, running the business full time, and doing other things full time. But we're not complaining. We're doing it. We're doing it. But for now, definitely expect a Sunday post. And as I try to ramp it up, we get more in the week as well. Anyways, I think I've rambled enough. And wow, Rochelle, you've been talking. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's crush the next half of the year, and let's crush July together. All right? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Rochielin traveling the 4 corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant your man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin.